I was out riding my bike, and I was coming down Cypress Gardens Road, and I saw a car coming down the street, I guess perpendicular to me, and I thought he saw me, and he didn't, and I crossed the street, and he T-boned me and knocked me off my bike, and I ended up in ICU for a week. Originally, I didn't want to go the lawyer route, and my son and my sister both told me that I would be smart to call a lawyer and let them deal with all the hospital bills and doctor bills. And so my son actually had heard about Brook Law Group and told me to give them a call, give you guys a call. It was wonderful. I just made the call, and I gave all the information, and I turned everything over to your group and didn't have to worry about a thing. And I would get updates every once in a while, what was going on. I didn't have to deal with the hospitals. The bills came in, and I just put them in a folder and put them away and didn't even think about it. And I had no stress at all. At the beginning, I gave all my information. We had a long discussion about what was going to happen, and from then on I would get either an email or a text, this is where we're at, and I would just say thank you and be done with it. Yeah, 100%. I would recommend your group to anybody without reservation. I can't think of one thing that I would want changed or to be different. It was perfect. Like I said, it was so stress-free.